This is a follow-up on our garden tower here. As you can see, these plants are really thriving. I mean, it's only been like 2 days, but when we installed these plants into these pockets, they were kind of wilted a little bit. A couple of them look like they may have been, getting ready to, die, but the stems are really, really rigid now. These plants are just going crazy. We did have about a day and a half of solid rain. I was, really anxious to see if our drain system was working properly down here at the ball valve. And as you can see, this bucket is full of water. So it's completely draining the way I designed it to. It's working fabulous. The pockets weren't filling up with water to where the barrel was filling and it wasn't draining here and the water was pouring out. That wasn't happening. All the drain of the water was coming out of the ball valve. So um, I'm gonna this will be recycled up on top of the barrel here, maybe in a day or two. But this thing has plenty of water in it right now. So anyhow, stay tuned for our next update on the plants and how they're growing. We'll do another video here in about a week or two.